Hello! You like my new intro? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post hauls, vlogs, DIYs, shopping, all that fun stuff. So if you like all that content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there. You don't want to miss my videos. Today's video is kind of different. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul, but not just any Dollar Tree haul. A quarter, 25-cent Dollar Tree haul. Literally a quarter. So everything I'm going to show you is a quarter. So literally run to Dollar Tree. I don't know how long this is going to last, but I'm all for it. I have literally like 5 big bags of quarter stuff. So this might be 2 videos, who knows. But yeah, 25 cents for Dollar Tree items. I'm not mad. First thing is the Jade Roller. I remember these from a while ago. These are fantastic. I use them, I put them in the freezer and then use them. They're great. So we got that. And this 25-cent stuff is perfect time for holidays. Like, are we kidding? Everyone's stocking stuffers, all that. And then I got another one for stocking stuffer. Then the little pack of 3 little mini sponges are a quarter. These are great for travel. Then I'm going to take it out of the packaging because it's just easier to show you when it's out of the packaging. But these are a quarter right now. The little coffee cup with the beauty blender, these are a quarter. So that's fun. Then we have the pack of 2 lip scrubbers. These are great for the lip masks. Then we have the makeup vanishing towels. This I'm probably like most excited for, kind of, because these are great. If they have more when I go next, I'm definitely going to pick up more because these are great. Then the dual-ended facial mask applicator. And the other ones too, like not the dual-ended, like the one, like the just not one-ended. They're a quarter too, but this better deal. Then I'm gonna just reach out and remember. Oh yeah, the Candy Moyo lip glosses. This one is a green apple. All of the scents are 25 cents. Then we have the vitamin E infused pumice stone. This is great for at-home pedicures, let me tell you. Then we have the LA Colors lip gloss from the Vibin collection. Yeah, this lipstick was in sugar. Then from the Vibin collection, hence the Vibin collection is a quarter. This is the blush, bronzer. Yeah, no, blush in XOXO. I love this because I use it as a double, like blush and bronzer. So that. Then another Candy Moyo, but this one's in grape. Then the hydrating lip balms, like these. Take it out of the packaging. These are a quarter, and I'm excited because I love these. They fit in like the little lip balm holders. So good. So we got that one. It's just in clear. Then we got the LA Colors Plump Gloss in Careless. I loved this when it came out forever ago, so I'm glad I got to restock for a quarter. So got that. Then a lot of hair is on sale. So I got this scrunchie. I love this one. So then the makeup brush cleaning mitt. These are a quarter. Obviously everything's a quarter, but I'm just saying. And definitely my tip is you download the app and scan. That's what I did. It took me like an hour and a half in each store, but it's worth it because sometimes some stores don't have the scanners in store, so I just download the app, use my phone. Sometimes it crashes, the app crashes, I have to delete it, re-download. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. So then we got the cleaning brush replacement head because we got a cleaning brush for a quarter. So got the replacement head for that. Then I got another one of these for a stocking. Then the Tropical Bloom collection is a quarter of the whole collection. And this blush is in Sun Up, which again, you could use as like a double bronzer and blush. Then the Jelly Bombs. This one is in grape, mixed berry. So we have that. Then the Rainbow Lip Gloss in Watermelon Scented. And then these, I'm so hyped. The infused green tea infused pressed face powder. I love, love, love these. So the fact that these were or are a quarter, I'm stoked about. So we have those, definitely snag these. Then again, more hair. We have this scrunchie. Then we have the Chloe face highlight and bronzer little thing. I like the product, but I hate the packaging of these because I can never get them to shut. But I love the product. But we got this. Then we got the bronzer in Let's Go from the Vibin collection. I love this for summer. This is going in my beach bag. Then we have the Fat Lip Chubby Stick lip liner and lipstick in one in Japan. So we have that. Then we have the polishing cloth from like that little skincare cushion I had a while ago. So we got the cloth. The whole collection's on sale. The cloth, exfoliating brush, and yeah. So I just picked up the cloth. Then these, I was stoked. This is the Cooling Facial Roller, stainless steel. Helps reduce redness and puffiness. Used chilled. And I use this chilled. I threw mine away because after like a year and a half it got all weird. But for 25 cents, a replacement, yes please. So we got to that. Then the shadow switching sponges. I could not believe these scanned up $1.25. I mean, 25 cents. So great find for that. Then Nude Glam lipstick in Top Notch. I'm obsessed with this shade. So got that. Cat's chasing something. Then we have hair stuff. So we have these little elastics. Both of those. And then these. Okay, next we got another lipstick, but this one is in Hush. So got that. Then, I do have two 125 there. I'm just gonna show them real fast. It's random. Okay, then we got the Squishy Supreme to collect all 6 styles. I got 2 of them because I really want the damn duck and the llama. So let's open them. I hope I get what I... Okay, yay. Okay, so we got the duck. Exactly what I wanted. Yeah, these are a quarter, so... And then next one, I hope it's the llama. If not, I will literally buy all of them until I get the llama. You can't even really feel it. Okay, this is... that. So I have to literally get the llama. So I'm gonna keep trying until I get the llama. How embarrassing is that? But they're a quarter, so it's fine. Then we have this clean color lipstick, and this is in Chiffon Doll, a quarter. The eyebrow kit, and this one is in Santa Elena. And yeah, they have like, yeah, I like these little kits. They're good for travel. Then the Essentially Ageless Blush Rose lipstick is a quarter. Then these bags, these are so good for vacation, a quarter. And then we have 2 notebooks. So we have this things to do and then ideas, and these were a quarter. So there's that one. Let's keep going. So we got, of course, these hair ties, a quarter. Trying to see what else in here is a quarter. The LA Colors lip crayon in Sass. Real fast, two quick 125 things. Just want to show them these for the holidays. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Back to a quarter. We have this little beautiful scrunchie. I love it. Again, these hair ties. I love these, especially for summer. Beach bag, essential. And then these brush holders, makeup brush holder suction cups, a quarter, all colors. This is the only color they had, so I snagged it. Okay, next bag. Next bag. So we have the lipstick holder that I was just talking about. The lipstick for 25 cents fits in here. So I got a holder. Then we got the glitter rollerball fragrance. The strawberry one too is 25 cents. It might be in this bag that I have. But we have the grape, or no, it's just mixed berry. No, blueberry. Then the Remy Rose glitter lip gloss. I love, look how pretty that is. So we have that. Then the little cosmetic bag. This one is in the cheetah print, of course. It's a decent size, actually. So we have that. Then another Remy Rose glitter lip gloss. That one. And then all these little glitter cosmetic brushes. All of them are a quarter, and I'm pretty sure I got one of every color. We just gotta dig in the bag. So let's keep going. Last bag for part 1 of this video. So we have the little spa gift set where you get the glitter tumbler, you get the nail file, nail clipper, nail brush, and bath sponge. Perfect stocking stuffer. So we got that. Then we got the blueberry scented little roller ball again, stocking stuffer. Then we have the Sassy and Chic 2-piece mirror and makeup brush set for 25 cents. Then again, the Remy Rose, everything Remy Rose is a quarter. This is the lip gloss, cute. Then we have the LA Colors Vibin bronzer in Let's Go. This is, I'm probably so stoked for this is a quarter. These are phenomenal. It's just the face and neck lifting roller. And then 2 more colored glitter brushes. So that completes part 1 of the 25-cent Dollar Tree items, because there's just too much to do one whole video. So this is part 1. Subscribe because you don't want to miss part 2.